So let us take a look at what is meant by coding and decoding. You must have heard the word codes or coding somewhere or the other. Can somebody try and tell me what do you understand by the word coding? What is coding?
So, protecting something.
Protecting something. So if I protect you from a dog, I'm coding you.
Sir, not from that, sir, from some
Conceal some message.
To conceal some message. To conceal the meaning of a message from being understood by everybody. Yes?
Yes.
Why do you want to conceal the meaning of your message?
Because it's private, secret.
Because it's my message. Right? I'm sure you must have used codes in your regular life. For example, when you're chatting, and if you're chatting at home on a laptop where everybody can see the screen, you definitely would not be writing "चल शाम को गोला खाने जाते हैं, चल शाम को CG रोड पे लड़कियों को ताड़ने जाते हैं." There must be specific code words that you use. So it is understood between friends. If the message is "Let us meet at 5 o'clock in the evening for practice on mathematics," तो यू हैव एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि जब भी मैथ्स का नाम लूंगा उसका मतलब है कि आपने सीजी रोड घूमने जाएंगे. अगर मैं कहता हूं कि चलो हिस्ट्री पढ़ने जाते हैं, द रियल मीनिंग ऑफ द मैसेज इज दैट चलो पिक्चर देखने जाते हैं. व्हाटएवर. सो व्हेन यू ट्राई टू हाइड द मीनिंग ऑफ योर मैसेज so that a person who knows what it means can understand it, a person who does not know what it means is not able to get the real meaning of the message. This system of coding and decoding is not a new system. It started ages back. Have you heard of this person called Julius Caesar?
Yes.
Julius uncle का नाम सुना होगा, right? Very famous emperor and a very famous warrior. तो युद्ध के टाइम पे, वॉर के टाइम पे, obviously the emperor or the chief of the army wants to send messages कि सारे पतले लोग लेफ्ट से घेरो, सारे मोटे लोग राइट से घेरो और सारे फिट लोग मेरे पीछे आओ. Now he wants to send this message to all his army generals who are at different places. If he writes the message in ordinary language and sends it, is there any problem?
Yes.
What? लीक हो गया तो दुश्मन के हाथों अगर मैसेज लग गया, दुश्मन का जनरल पड़ेगा, अच्छा बेटा ये प्लान है तेरा, आजा. Caesar would not want that the other enemy combatants should know what he's planning. So he devised simple methods. During that time there were complicated methods of hiding the real meaning of his message so that if the person who belongs to his army knows how to interpret this message, they will understand. If it falls into the hands of the enemy gets confused. He is not able to understand what is written. Right. So Caesar cipher was one of the codes which he created at that time. Was considered a very difficult code to crack during those ages. Nowadays, if you are given the Caesar cipher, you can crack it when you are in 4th standard. 4th standard का बच्चा भी आज उसको crack कर सकता है. But it is not because Caesar was an idiot, but because technology was not like that. Education was not like that in those times. But now, of course, technology has improved. The methods of coding have become more complicated. Anytime you use the internet, you send emails to your friends, you send text messages to your friends. The text message or the email which you write in English is not transmitted over the internet lines in English. क्योंकि अगर कोई टैप करके पढ़ ले तो उसको पता चल जाएगा अपने फेसबुक पे इसको लाइक किया, व्हाट्सएप पे वो पोस्ट किया. What they do is they change the way it is written so that if somebody types the line in between and tries to read, they cannot. Only when it reaches the other end, the message which has been coded on your machine is encoded automatically on the receiver's side and the receiver sees it in the form of English. But जो आप इंग्लिश में भेजते हो और जो इंग्लिश में पढ़ता है, throughout it does not remain the same. बीच में कोडिंग हो जाता है. So coding is a simple form of changing the real meaning of the message. You are not going to be tested on some of the tough codes of this world, right? Algorithms जो computer experts create करते हैं, those are not the messages that you are expected to know. In entrance examinations, coding and decoding refers to very simple techniques of logical reasoning. So how does it come in the paper? You will be given a plain word and you will be given the coded form of that word. So what you have to do is understand how has this plain word in English been coded. Once you get the logic behind the coding, you are given another plain word in English, and then you are told use the same logic to encode this given word. So for example, let us say if it is given that the word Mumbai is coded as M V N C B J, then what should be the code for the word Chennai?
D I S M O B H J.
How many of us could understand the logic and code it? Good. But how many of us are confused? क्या हुआ? कैसे हो गया? है कोई जो confused है? हो सकता है. That's why we are in the class, right? What we do is this. We have been given the word Mumbai. Write down the word Mumbai, and the code for this is N V N C B J. Write it below it, word to word, letter to letter. Now try to compare the given two words. Can you see some sort of a pattern here? What is my pattern here? If you remember your ABCD, do you remember your ABCD?
Yes.
पक्का? रिविजन तो नहीं करवाना पड़ेगा. M के बाद N, U के बाद V, M के बाद N, B के बाद C, A के बाद B and I के बाद J. Yes. So the basic code which has been used here is that whatever is my given word, I am replacing every letter in it with the letter which comes next. So using the same logic, after C, D, H, I, E, F, N, O, N, O, A, B, I, J and so on. So because this is a simple +1, +1, +1 code, I use the same logic, put every letter, replace it with the letter which comes next in it, and my code is done. Simple substitution. Now, instead of this, what if I give you a code where I say that Delhi is coded as HGKDC.
+2. +3. F G +3.
Let's check how it is done. I have Delhi, I have H, G, K, D and C. If you say it is +2, D के बाद E, F, G, 3.
+3.
E के बाद E, F, G and G तो डायरेक्टली आ गया. L, M, N, O, P, Q. K तो बीच में आ ही नहीं रहा है. Then what can be my logic here?
+2 +1 -1.
Then also, if Delhi is this, can somebody give me the code for Pune? If you have understood the logic, you should be able to give me the code. If Delhi is coded as HGKDC,
So,
yes.
the first.
I don't give me the logic, just give me the code.
पुणे का?
हाँ.
ठीक है. सर उल्टा लिखना चालू करो ना.
मुझे नहीं पता. आप लिख के बता दो. Logic मत पढ़ो. Please use a paper. You don't have that much amount of a large hand that you can do the entire example on hand. You are not able to easily get what the code is, right? Because the human mind is not designed to identify patterns in letters.
DMTO.
The human mind is not designed to identify patterns in letters, but if you work with numbers, you will be able to identify patterns. So how do we convert letters into numbers? Letters की जगह क्या मैं numbers लिख सकता हूँ? कौन से numbers को use करूँ? Can I say A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, so on till Z will be letter number 26. And after 26, if I want to write the 27th letter, again I restart. So A is 27, B is 28, and so on. Now, let's substitute each of the given letters with the corresponding number. D is 4, E is 5, L
12.
is 12, H is 8, and I is 9. H is 8, this is 7, this is 11, this is 4, and this is 3. Now forget the letters, take a look at the numbers. Do you see some sort of a logic? If I put the numbers together, let me put the code H, G, K, D, C. Is there some sort of a pattern which is emerging here?
Yes.
What?
7, 11, 12, 4, 5, 3. The first letter, I mean, the first and the
3
last.
के बाद,
4.
4 के बाद, 11 के बाद, 7 के बाद, 8 के बाद. So every letter's previous letter has been taken and written, and after I have made the code, I have inverted the position of every letter. So if I want to write down the code for Pune, first I take the previous letter of each one. P के पहले O, U के पहले T, N के पहले M, E के पहले D, and I take it in reverse. So D, M, T, O will be my code. Right? So अगर letters के साथ direct substitution से आप patterns नहीं देख पाते, try to substitute letters with numbers, and sometimes it becomes easy to see if there is a pattern if the numbers are given to you. Let us try one more example with a slightly different kind of coding technique. Now, if I say that Amritsar is coded as ARTSRIAM, then what should be the code for Patiala? PITIALA. If Amritsar is coded as ARTSRIAM, then what is the code for Patiala?
It is 50.